father is a director.
My father is also a director, so I think direction is in my blood, and I'm just waiting to break the wall. I'm just waiting.
Of course, you had other success this year also. Your brother directed the other film as well, so it's been a great year for you. But let's just go across to Bangalore, where we have some questions for you.
Hi Dhanush and Aishwarya. I have two questions for Dhanush and Aishwarya. Dhanush, who is the caller lady D in your life? And Aishwarya, what was your reaction when you first heard the news that caller lady D is a hit in YouTube and everywhere?
Who is your caller lady D?
No, obviously it's her. You know, every time she makes me, you know, she used the opportunity and she used the tag director very well on the sets, and she was like, stand up, come here, no, go back, sit down. She used the opportunity really well. Okay, I'm not going to get this chance. She is the collaborator in my life. There's no doubt about it at all.
Any questions from the audience for Dhanush and Aishwarya? Go ahead.
Being the son-in-law of the legendary superstar Rajinikanth, how do you feel actually?
It's a huge burden, and it's not easy to come out of his shadow. He's, like you said, he's legendary and he's an icon by himself. So
were you very nervous when you proposed, when you said that my father-in-law is going to be Rajinikanth?
No, no. I never saw her as so-and-so's daughter. Even now, I don't see her as so-and-so's daughter. I just see her as Aishwarya, just a girl. She's just a girl to me. And being a son-in-law of Rajinikanth does not help you in any way. Trust me. You will have to fight your battles a lot more harder, and you will have to watch yourself carefully, a lot more carefully. You know, it doesn't help you. But yeah, I'm glad I've fought my battle, and God has given me an opportunity to walk out of his shadow, and I'm glad it's happened sooner than I thought. So thank you for asking me that question.
Hello Dhanush. First you are an actor and now a singer. So if given a chance, would you also release a Hindi version of Kalavi song?
I actually have a Hindi version already ready, but what to say? I don't know where or who needs the song, or you know, how to proceed further. I have the song, but how to or where to deliver the song, I'm not very clear about it. So yes, I have a version, Hindi version. Let's see how it goes.
I'm sure Shah Rukh and Abhishek Bachchan would love to be the face of the song. I don't know about the voice of the song. Here's a young boy to ask you a question.
How does it feel to be here?
Very cold. It's actually very cold here. Chennai, it's always hot. It's really cold, for number one. And number two, it's really it feels awesome and great to connect with audience like you. You know, it feels wonderful that you know me and you ask me a question directly. It feels really beautiful. Thank you.
Do you like the song? What did you like about the song?
The lyrics.
You understand the lyrics?
Not too much.
Not too much.
That's okay.
That's the beauty of the song anyway. I don't understand the lyrics too much myself.
Well, it's been actually super to have both of you here, but I know that the audience has been sitting patiently and listening to this intellectual conversation, but I think all of them want just one thing, and I guess that would be for Dhanush to sing.
Since this is a national media, I would like to use this opportunity to dedicate this performance that I'm performing right now to all of you who's made the song what it is today. So here we go. How many of you know the lyrics? Full song? Okay, so I would really appreciate if you sing along, because I sing alone, you will understand all the mistakes that I'll be doing out of done in the song. So we'll sing along, that's a promise. Okay, let's go. Your boys and girls. I am singing a song. It's a super song. Super sweet love song. So, why this color very deep? Why this color very deep? rhythm, correct? Why this cola very deep? Why this cola very deep? Can all come? Distance moon color white bag night color black.
Why this cola very deep?
Why this color very deep? 2, 3, 4. Pa 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 ba ba ba. Pa 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 ba ba ba. Why this color very deep? Handle a glass the scotch, ice full of beer, empty life, girl come, life reverse gear. Love, oh my love, you showed me power, cover, holy cover, I want you here now, buddy, but I am dying now, she's happy how, this is song for boys, we don't have choice. Why this color very 1, 2, 3, 4. Pa 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 ba ba ba. Flop song.
Dhanush, Aishwarya, that was absolutely wonderful and a super way for us to start the new year. Thank you so much. Thank you both so much. Thank you all very much for joining us. It was great to have you. And a huge occasion for